Now, your Alaska Link weather for Anchorage and South Central.
Well, as we move into the middle of the week, we are talking some changes, especially talking changes for our inland communities. Now, we are noting here into our Wednesday morning, we are quiet on our mostly cloudy skies with a low of 33 into Anchorage. Now, we are going to watch, though, we are going to uptick into some stronger winds for the entire South Central as we head into our Wednesday. Even noting that some of these strong winds are getting closer to needing some high wind alerts for the region, as we'll have some gusts even getting upwards of 40 miles per hour. Now, we will note that these winds pulling inland will have some potential of also pulling some precipitation for our inland communities. Our best chance here is coming Wednesday night into Thursday. And then we are going to move our way into a bit more of a cooler environment, not cold by any means, but it is going to bring us a few chances for some scattered snow showers into the weekend. Again, looking at the South Central, especially our coastal areas, but may see some chances inland. Now, for our Wednesday here, we're looking at a high 42 in Anchorage, so still with that very mild temperature field, which is going to allow for this system to start off with the chance for some rain showers. But we will note that the main impact we'll see first into our Wednesday is the wind, as we are noting from Cordova through Whittier, Seward, Palmer, Wasilla. We're noting those 35 to 40 mile per hour gusts, and that's going to be as this next wave lifts its way in. We are noting that not only is Anchorage going to have that possibility of moisture, but we know that that moisture climbs up the Cook Inlet, brings a chance for areas of Kenai, and then we'll watch that spread here move over the Anchorage area and portions of the valley as we head into here our Thursday morning, where with it coming in the overnight hours and into the morning of our Thursday, there is some chance for that cool air to allow for the potential that we see a transition from rain to snow, or even potentially stay all snowfall. Now, we note that it is still expected to be light accumulation. We're noting that our inland precipitation forecast stays to around a few tenths of an inch, upwards of a quarter of an inch. Looking at that precipitation to be more fluid there for our coastal areas, where we are noting even inches of accumulation. But just a quick look at the snow forecast, there are some tenths of an inch possibilities. So we will be monitoring that. There is going to be some changeover possible. There will be some communities that may stay all snowfall, which would bump up that total, where some communities could stay more rain showers, noting more of a quarter of an inch of accumulation, and that will lead to some tricky travel for Thursday morning. So we'll monitor this system with those winds as well. Now, daylight hours sits at 10 hours and 50 minutes for our Wednesday, where temperatures are still very mild through the South Central, climbing into those 40s, but then we do dial those temperatures back, which will leave us with that system ending with a chance for some snowfall into our Thursday, as well as noting that a few more areas of low will keep us with some scattered snow chances into our weekend forecast.